Welcome to the fascinating world of genomics. In this video, we'll embark on a journey to understand the basics of genomics and how it helps us unlock the secrets of life itself. Genomics is the study of genomes, which are the complete set of DNA in an organism, including all of its genes. By exploring genomics, scientists can decode the instructions that make each living thing unique. Whether you're curious about how traits are inherited or how diseases can be prevented, genomics offers answers. Let's start by looking at what makes up our genetic blueprint and why it's so important in modern science. The heart of genomics is DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA is the molecule that carries the genetic instructions for life. Imagine it as a long, twisted ladder made up of four chemical bases: adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. These bases pair up in specific ways to form the rungs of the ladder, creating a unique code for every organism. DNA is found in almost every cell and is responsible for passing genetic information from one generation to the next. Understanding DNA is the first step in unlocking the mysteries of genomics. Genes are segments of DNA that act as instructions for making proteins, which perform most life functions. Think of genes as individual recipes in a massive cookbook. Each gene has a specific role, such as determining eye color or influencing how our bodies respond to certain foods. The human genome contains about 20,000 to 25,000 genes, each contributing to the complexity and diversity of life. By studying genes, scientists can better understand how traits are inherited and how genetic disorders occur. One of the most ambitious scientific projects ever undertaken was the Human Genome Project. Launched in 1990, this international effort aimed to map all the genes in human DNA. After more than a decade of work, scientists successfully completed the project in 2003. The Human Genome Project has revolutionized our understanding of genetics, paving the way for advances in medicine, biotechnology, and evolutionary biology. It showed us just how much information is packed into our DNA and opened new doors for research and discovery. You might wonder how genomics differs from genetics. Genetics focuses on individual genes and their roles in inheritance, while genomics looks at all of an organism's genes and how they interact. Genomics takes a broader approach, examining the entire genome to understand complex biological systems. This holistic view allows scientists to study how genes work together and how they are influenced by environmental factors. By comparing genomics and genetics, we can appreciate the depth and scope of modern biological research. Studying genomics is crucial for many reasons. It helps us understand the genetic basis of diseases, discover new treatments, and improve healthcare. Genomics also plays a role in agriculture, helping to develop crops that are more resistant to pests and environmental changes. By unlocking the secrets of genomes, we can address global challenges such as food security and personalized medicine. The insights gained from genomics research have the potential to transform our world in countless ways. Sequencing a genome means determining the exact order of the DNA bases. Modern technology allows scientists to read billions of DNA letters quickly and accurately. The process starts by breaking DNA into smaller pieces, then using machines to read the sequence of bases in each piece. Powerful computers assemble these sequences to create a complete map of the genome. Genome sequencing has become faster and more affordable, making it possible to study the DNA of many different organisms. Genomics has transformed medicine by enabling personalized healthcare. Doctors can now use genetic information to predict disease risk, choose the best treatments, and even prevent illnesses before they start. For example, genomics helps identify genetic mutations linked to cancer, allowing for targeted therapies. It also aids in diagnosing rare diseases and understanding how patients respond to medication. The future of medicine is increasingly tailored to each individual's unique genetic makeup. Beyond medicine, genomics is revolutionizing agriculture. By studying the genomes of crops and livestock, scientists can develop varieties that are more productive, nutritious, and resilient. For instance, genomics helps breed plants that can withstand drought or resist pests, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. It also supports sustainable farming practices and helps ensure food security for a growing global population. Genomics is truly shaping the future of agriculture. Genomics provides powerful tools for studying evolution. By comparing the genomes of different species, scientists can trace how life has changed over millions of years. These comparisons reveal the genetic similarities and differences that drive evolution and adaptation. Genomics also helps identify genes responsible for unique traits in animals and plants. Through this lens, we gain a deeper appreciation for the diversity and interconnectedness of all living things. Great power comes great responsibility. As genomics advances, it raises important ethical questions. Who should have access to genetic information? How can we protect privacy and prevent discrimination based on genetics? These are just some of the issues that scientists, policymakers, and society must address. By considering the ethical implications, we can ensure that genomics is used for the benefit of all, while respecting individual rights and value. Personal genomics allows individuals to learn about their own DNA. With a simple saliva sample, companies can analyze your genome and provide insights into ancestry, health risks, and even traits like taste preferences. While this information can be empowering, it also comes with challenges, such as interpreting results and maintaining privacy. Personal genomics is making genetic information more accessible than ever before. One popular application of genomics is tracing ancestry. By analyzing specific markers in your DNA, scientists can estimate where your ancestors came from and how populations have migrated over time. This has led to a surge in interest in genealogy and personal history. Genomics brings our shared human story to life, connecting us to distant relatives and ancient civilizations. Genomics is also a powerful tool for wildlife conservation. By studying the genomes of endangered species, scientists can identify genetic diversity and develop strategies to protect them. This information helps guide breeding programs and monitor populations in the wild. Genomics is helping to preserve biodiversity and ensure the survival of species for future generations. Microbial genomics focuses on the DNA of bacteria, viruses, and other microorganisms. This field has revolutionized our understanding of infectious diseases and the role of microbes in health and the environment. By sequencing microbial genomes, scientists can track disease outbreaks, develop new antibiotics, and even harness microbes for industrial applications. Microbial genomics is a rapidly growing area with wide-ranging impact. Cancer is a disease of the genome. By studying the genetic changes that drive cancer, researchers can develop targeted treatments and improve early detection. Genomics has led to breakthroughs in understanding how tumors evolve and why some cancers are more aggressive than others. This knowledge is paving the way for personalized cancer therapies that are more effective and less toxic. Pharmacogenomics is the study of how genes affect a person's response to drugs. This field helps doctors choose the right medication and dosage for each patient, reducing side effects and improving outcomes. By understanding genetic differences, pharmacogenomics makes medicine more precise and effective. It's a key part of the move toward personalized healthcare. Epigenomics explores changes in gene activity that don't involve alterations to the DNA sequence itself. These changes, called epigenetic modifications, can be influenced by environment, lifestyle, and experiences. Epigenomics helps explain why identical twins can have different health outcomes and how factors like diet or stress can affect gene expression. This field adds another layer of complexity to our understanding of genomics. Genomics plays a vital role in fighting infectious diseases. By sequencing the genomes of viruses and bacteria, scientists can track how diseases spread and evolve. This information is crucial for developing vaccines and treatments. Genomics was instrumental in the rapid response to recent pandemics, helping to identify new variants and monitor their impact. Bioinformatics combines biology, computer science, and mathematics to analyze genomic data. With the massive amount of information generated by genome sequencing, powerful software and algorithms are needed to make sense of it all. Bioinformatics helps identify patterns, predict gene functions, and discover new insights. It's an essential tool in modern genomics research. Any rare diseases are caused by genetic mutations. Genomics allows doctors to diagnose these conditions more accurately and quickly. By sequencing a patient's genome, doctors can identify the exact mutation responsible for the disease, leading to better treatment options and support for affected families. Genomics is bringing hope to those with rare and previously undiagnosed conditions. Forensic genomics uses DNA to solve crimes and identify individuals. By analyzing genetic material from crime scenes, forensic scientists can match suspects or identify victims. This technology has revolutionized criminal investigations and even helped solve cold cases. Genomics is making our world safer by providing powerful tools for law enforcement. Nutrigenomics is the study of how our genes interact with the foods we eat. This field helps explain why some people respond differently to certain diets and nutrients. By understanding these interactions, nutrigenomics can guide personalized nutrition plans for better health and disease prevention. It's a growing area that combines genomics with everyday lifestyle choices. Genomics is shedding light on the genetic factors that influence mental health. By studying the genomes of people with conditions like depression or schizophrenia, researchers are identifying genes that may contribute to these disorders. This knowledge could lead to better treatments and a deeper understanding of how genetics and environment interact to shape mental health. How do we age? Genomics is helping to answer this age-old question. By studying the genetic changes that occur over time, scientists are uncovering the mechanisms behind aging and age-related diseases. This research could lead to interventions that promote healthy aging and extend lifespan. Genomics is opening new possibilities for living longer and healthier lives. Environmental genomics studies how organisms interact with their environment at the genetic level. This field helps monitor ecosystem health, track pollution, and understand how species adapt to changing conditions. By analyzing environmental DNA, scientists can detect the presence of rare or invasive species without capturing them. Genomics is a powerful tool for protecting our planet. Synthetic biology combines genomics with engineering to design new biological systems. Scientists can create custom DNA sequences to build organisms with specific traits, such as bacteria that produce medicine or clean up pollution. This field is pushing the boundaries of what's possible, offering innovative solutions to global challenges. With the rise of personal genomics, data privacy has become a major concern. Genetic information is sensitive and unique to each individual. Protecting this data from misuse or unauthorized access is essential. Laws and regulations are evolving to address these challenges, but individuals must also be aware of how their genetic data is used and shared. Education is key to understanding and benefiting from genomics. Schools and universities are introducing genomics into their curricula, preparing the next generation of scientists and informed citizens. Public outreach and science communication are also important for raising awareness and promoting responsible use of genomic technologies. Genomics is shaping society in profound ways. From healthcare to agriculture, its impact is felt across many fields. As we continue to unlock the secrets of life, it's important to consider the social, ethical, and legal implications. Engaging with diverse perspectives ensures that genomics benefits everyone and addresses the needs of all communities. Future of genomics is bright and full of promise. Advances in technology are making genome sequencing faster, cheaper, and more accurate. New discoveries are on the horizon, from curing genetic diseases to engineering sustainable solutions for our planet. As we continue to explore the genome, the possibilities are endless. Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming genomics by analyzing vast amounts of genetic data quickly and accurately. AI algorithms can identify patterns, predict disease risks, and even suggest new treatments. This partnership between AI and genomics is accelerating discoveries and making personalized medicine more accessible. Genomics generates enormous amounts of data. Managing, storing, and analyzing this big data is a major challenge. Cloud computing and advanced databases are helping scientists handle the information overload. Efficient data management is crucial for making the most of genomics research and discoveries. Genomics is playing an increasing role in public health. By tracking the spread of diseases and identifying genetic risk factors, public health officials can design better prevention and intervention strategies. Genomics helps protect communities and improve health outcomes on a large scale. Biotechnology harnesses the power of genomics to create new products and solutions. From genetically modified crops to biofuels and pharmaceuticals, genomics is at the heart of many innovations. This field is driving economic growth and improving quality of life around the world. Personalized medicine uses genomic information to tailor healthcare to each individual. By understanding a person's unique genetic makeup, doctors can choose the most effective treatments and avoid unnecessary side effects. Personalized medicine is making healthcare more precise and patient-centered. Genomics is speeding up drug development by identifying new targets and predicting how patients will respond to medications. Pharmaceutical companies use genomic data to design safer and more effective drugs. This approach reduces costs and brings new treatments to market faster. Genomics is transforming animal breeding by identifying desirable traits and improving genetic diversity. Farmers and breeders can use genomic information to select animals with the best health, productivity, and adaptability. This leads to healthier livestock and more sustainable agriculture. Plant breeders use genomics to develop crops with improved yield, nutrition, and resistance to disease. By analyzing plant genomes, scientists can identify genes responsible for valuable traits and accelerate the breeding process. Genomics is helping to feed the world and protect crops from climate change. By understanding the genetic risk factors for diseases, genomics enables early detection and prevention strategies. Doctors can recommend lifestyle changes or screenings for people at higher risk. This proactive approach helps reduce the burden of disease and improve quality of life. Gene therapy uses genomics to treat or prevent diseases by correcting faulty genes. Scientists can deliver healthy copies of genes into a patient's cells, offering hope for conditions that were once untreatable. Gene therapy is a cutting-edge application of genomics with the potential to cure genetic disorders. Prenatal genomics allows doctors to screen for genetic conditions before a baby is born. Non-invasive tests can analyze fetal DNA from a mother's blood, providing valuable information about the baby's health. This technology helps parents make informed decisions and prepare for any challenges ahead. Genomics has played a crucial role in the development of modern vaccines. By analyzing the genomes of viruses and bacteria, scientists can design vaccines that target specific pathogens more effectively. This approach has led to faster vaccine development and improved protection against infectious diseases. Genomics research is a global effort. Scientists from around the world collaborate to share data, resources, and discoveries. International projects like the Human Genome Project have shown the power of working together to solve complex problems. Global collaboration ensures that the benefits of genomics reach everyone. We've explored the basics of genomics and how it unlocks the code of life. From understanding DNA and genes to transforming medicine, agriculture, and beyond, genomics is changing our world. As technology advances, the possibilities for discovery and innovation are limitless. By embracing the power of genomics, we can improve health, protect our planet, and unlock the mysteries of life for generations to come.